Hey. My ice cream has become water, 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 water. I just added milk. Me, I told you, I'm not a selective. In my life, in my life, if I want to fall in love, age, size, no, it doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is true love. I've told you before. True love. True love that matters. Height, everything, it doesn't matter. Can you marry with 3 feet men? How? I don't understand your English. So this is the ice cream. The ice cream is ice creamy. It's ice creamy. At least you watch my streaming. You've seen something tonight. You go enjoy. You go enjoy. You go enjoy. Hey, enjoy. Ay! I wanna do. Dun, 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 dun. Do you want to marry? Question. Yes, I want to marry. I want to marry. Of course. Who doesn't want to marry? I will. And I will. When the time comes. Someone who will understand me. Especially, I'm doing social media. Someone who will understand the vibe and vibe with me. Yes. Someone who will understand me. Yes. Let me show you my local stew.